So let's talk about an envelope. How do we get an envelope open, right? What do we mail? We'll share that in a second. Let me just go ahead and share while I have it real quick. Let me share what we actually send out for some of you guys that are new here. Put my screen back up, boom. This is something that I really created for the masses. I actually sent something a little different on my end, but it's got a lot of QR codes and things of that nature. But this is something that's easy for you guys to send that gets you a 30 to 40% response. So you're mailing to for sale by owner and FSBOs, and this is what you're mailing out. I have 3 to 7 buyers. Your home is definitely worth more. It's handwritten, black and white on purpose, not in color. Everything here is on purpose. Can I bring them by Saturday or Sunday? Right? This stuff works. Then if they had a home in FMLS, do the same thing, right? Can I bring a buyer by 3 to 7 buyers on Saturday or Sunday? Yes. Your database of buyers, those that don't have a database of buyers, obviously you wouldn't send this, right? But if you have a database of buyers, you would send this, right? Send this out to them. You don't have to show them the number, but we just happen to have really 16,000. So it's something I can have social proof of, right? And then 5-star reviews, right? Trust you. Other people trusted us. You can trust us as well, right? You can trust us as well. So here's 109 5-star reviews. And then here's what other people say about us. Just scan this QR code, which takes them to my AT&T client review site, which is about 100 video testimonials from clients that have done business with us in the past. And then, of course, my bio about why you should choose me, right? Why you should choose me. Professional bio, express offer certified, that type of person.